Hi, my name is King, and here are 5 things you need to know. September is Attendance Awareness Month. Every day you miss school, you're missing out on something important. Make every day count.
The Riverview Gardens School District is proud to announce the return of our Father's Walk series for its second year. Throughout October, our community will come together every Wednesday morning as fathers, grandfathers, uncles, mentors, and positive male role models unite in a powerful demonstration of support for our students in schools. The series kicks off on Wednesday, October 1st at Michelle Obama Early Childhood Academic Center from 7 o'clock a.m. to 8 o'clock a.m. Participants are asked to arrive 30 minutes early. There is no registration required. For more information, check out our district website at rgsdmo.org. Hope to see you there.
Join us on October 11th at 8:30 a.m. for the Riverview Gardens High School Homecoming Parade. The parade route will start at the RGSD bus depot and will go to Riverview Gardens High School, located at 1218 Shepley Drive. The game will start at 11 o'clock, and we want to see you there to cheer on the Rams. Go Rams!
RGSD welcomes Gregory D. Turner as the Assistant Principal for RGSD's Success Academy Alternative Program for the 2025-2026 school year. In this role, Turner will oversee the district's alternative education programs and serve as the district's hearing officer. A warm welcome to our new assistant principal. We are thrilled to have him join our Ramley family. Riverview Gardens is a no bullying zone. At Riverview Gardens School District, we believe every student deserves to feel safe, respected, and valued. Bullying has no place in our schools or in our community. If you recognize the signs of bullying, whether it's happening to you or someone else, don't stay silent. Tell a teacher, counselor, or trusted adult immediately. Your voice matters, and speaking up can make all the difference. Be a buddy, not a bully.